Yeah. So if you don't change size here, you are just doing this. Or you're just doing this. Especially you're doing this. So we lock the rear foot and eventually lock the rear knee. And when you do this, you see you're becoming longer. There's a stretch here. This stretch is very, very difficult. And that's why when we demonstrate, we do this. It makes it easier. This is easier or better for you in terms of health than this. You do this is bad for you, but you do this. The knee is still on this line. It's not going there. But because of that, this can go further. But you can go further and fake it by pulling it this way. But this has to be anchored for you to have power. Can you see this here? You have to do a lot of this stretch. It looks easy, right? You look at it, it's not easy. So come behind me, feel here, behind me, and here. So this one is here. This is here to, as a benchmark to feel. We all move like this. There's no extension. We want this to be bigger. Just that little bit gives you a lot of power. If you can stretch 1/8 of an inch, that's a lot of power because it's real. So do this exercise. Like, and eventually you're not allowed to lift the foot, the heel. So face the camera here.